provide mainframe training to corporates as well as individuals. In mainframe application programming course, we train on JCL, COBOL, DB2, basics of kicks and breaks. The duration of this course is about 45 business days. We guarantee that the trainees can easily be placed on project after completion of this course. Our mission is to make the trainees a quality mainframe trained professional. We see ourselves as an IT organization in the near future, and that's our vision. For more details on the modules we train and for corporate trainings, you can reach us anytime. Thank you. Have a great day.